Hi guys, today we're going to make John and Vinny's famous fusilli in spicy vodka sauce. So John and Vinny are two very renowned chefs. They're James Beard winners, and back in October last year I went to their restaurant and had this delicious pasta. I recently realized that their recipe is actually available online, and when I made it, not only was it so delicious, it was also just really easy to put together, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started and make some pasta. Let's start with getting our pasta water going. Add a good amount of salt and move on to prepping our ingredients. The recipe calls for half a shallot, but I got these super tiny shallots from the Asian market, so I'm just going to cut about a quarter cup worth of shallots instead. The sauce is going to be creamy, so we need to make sure we chop our shallots really tiny. We're gonna grate 1 clove of garlic, and then we can start cooking. Place your skillet over medium heat. Add a quarter cup of olive oil, and once it's hot, add your shallots and garlic. Give it a good stir and allow the shallots to cook and soften. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent the shallots and garlic from burning. And then before they start turning golden brown, add your tomato paste. Stir the paste into the shallots and garlic till it's combined, and then let the tomatoes cook till they begin to caramelize. Now before I add my vodka to the sauce, I'm going to add my pasta to the water. This way the sauce and the pasta will be ready at the same time. Now you see the color of my paste has gotten deeper and turned into a brick red color as the recipe describes. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vodka and continue stirring until all the alcohol has evaporated. Unlike wine, vodka used here isn't for adding flavors, but helps the tomatoes release more flavors. Give it 2 minutes for the alcohol to evaporate while continuously stirring, and then add in a cup of heavy cream and a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now stir it all in until it becomes this thick, creamy sauce. You should also season the sauce at this point before adding the pasta. By now your pasta is probably ready. Make sure you cook it a minute less than the recommended time, as it will continue cooking once you add it to the sauce. Grab half a cup of pasta water, add it to your pasta, add your butter, turn your heat to medium-low and stir it all in together. You can add more pasta water if you want it to be saucier. Stir it all in, and to finish, season with more salt and pepper and top off with Parmesan and mix through. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. If you guys do make it, let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next week. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!
Oh, yum.
That's good. It's really good.
Yeah.
It's really nice and creamy. It's a really good amount of creaminess.
I like how it's so sweet and tangy, and also a little bit spicy.
Yeah, that cheese though.